About 4 years ago, my family doctor sent me to an ENT to make sure I had no hearing problem, no medical problem from my hearing loss, and the ENT doctor told me I didn't. They did a hearing test there and they told me that I did need hearing aids for both ears. And like most people, I was in denial and I didn't really believe it. So over the next 3 years, I went to 4 other hearing places and got a hearing test, and the hearing test basically told me the same thing. I needed hearing aids. And I went to Beltone and Miracle Ear, which quite frankly were a little expensive for me. I went to a couple of independent places, and last January a year ago, I was working at a show and Greg was working at a different booth, and I happened to be talking to him and I thought, well, one more test can't do me wrong. Went in to see him a couple of weeks later and he tested me, and I really actually liked the extra test, the speech and noise test that he did that I hadn't had before. It helped me understand better where I was. When we sat down and he hooked me up to the computer and adjusted for my hearing loss, and I actually saw on the screen and heard the difference as he adjusted where I needed the hearing loss. In some cases it was a little bit, in some cases it was a lot. And then he quoted me the price, which saved me $1,400 over what I'd been quoted just 5 weeks before for the exact same hearing aid. It really did become a no-brainer. I mean, I looked at it and I thought, I can see I need hearing aids. It shows me I need hearing aids. I like hearing properly with the hearing aids, and I'm saving a lot of money. That's why I bought the hearing aids from Greg, and since I found that several people at our church had already used Greg as their supplier for hearing aids, and since then I've talked to a couple other people and they've come in and bought hearing aids from Greg as well. Done.